What is mesothelioma regulation firm? Mesothelioma Regulation Corporation's center of attention on asbestos litigation. They specialize in managing private damage lawsuits, wrongful loss of life complaints, and relief fund claims for sufferers and households going through mesothelioma. The nation's pinnacle mesothelioma regulation corporations have years of trip helping these with suspected asbestos exposure. Who is the most effective regulation firm? List of biggest regulation corporations with the aid of revenue. Rank firm lawyers. 1 Kirkland & Amp, Ellis 2598. 2 Latham & Amp, Watkins 2720. 3 DLA Piper 3894. 4 Denton's 977. Who is the most feared regulation association in the world? Top felony selection makers see these corporations as ambitious opponents they would as a substitute no longer litigate against. Anderson Kill, Covington, Cravath, Denton's, Gibson Dunn, Houston Hennigan, Hush Blackwell, Jackson Walker. Can you declare for asbestosis after death? If you have misplaced a cherished one from an asbestos-related disorder in the ultimate 3 years, it is no longer too late to claim. What regulation company does Bill Gates use? 𝐘𝐮𝐿 Gates. Gates SR, the attorney, philanthropist, and father of Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates. 𝐘𝐮𝐿 Gates. Headquarters 𝐘𝐮𝐿 Gates Center, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Date founded 1946 to 1883. Company type limited liability partnership. Website www.ksgates.com. What kind of legal professionals make millions? What types of law pay the most for attorneys? Corporate law. Lawyers who work for companies can earn tens of millions of bucks as a well-known counsel. Criminal law. Personal injury. Bankruptcy law. Family law. What is the best paying function in law? 5 highest paying law jobs. Trial lawyer. Corporate lawyer. Tax lawyer. Patent lawyer. Real estate lawyer. Who is the most well-known legal professional ever? Image result. Number 1 Abraham Lincoln. He surpassed the bar in 1836 in Springfield, Illinois, and started out working underneath his wife's cousin, John T. Stewart. Lincoln represented purchasers in each civil and crook matters. In all, Lincoln and his companions treated over 5,000 cases. What is the oldest regulation company in the world? Thomson Snell & Amp, Passmore. Thomson Snell & Amp, Passmore is a regulation company in Kent, in the United Kingdom. It holds the Guinness World Record for being the oldest constantly running regulation association nevertheless in existence. What is a Tier 1 rating regulation firm? Tier 1 regulation companies are normally full carrier regulation corporations that have experienced, nationally identified attorneys in over 10+ exercise areas. The attorneys in a Tier 1 regulation association are most frequently experts and subspecialists doing nothing however a positive kind of work in the given exercise area. How lengthy does asbestos remain in the body? All of the asbestos illnesses have a latency period. The latency duration is the hole between the time you breathe asbestos and the time you begin to sense sick. The latency length for asbestos